What's up guys, this must be the longest subwoofer installation project in the history of mankind. At least I have my subwoofer. Yeah, I didn't even try it yet. I have a small problem. This was going to be my summer project originally. But what is this stuff here? This white stuff. It's not summer anymore. No, it's not that. -2. The problem is, every time I open this trunk, I'm thinking that should I paint this black? I think I will. I just have to go and buy some paint. I think I will just use the normal spray paint. Black one. Okay, I think I have to take something like this. This is suitable for toys. There's a teddy bear, so it's a small can. 10 francs. That's not really smart now. I thought that I will save lots of money, that I will get this carpet through my friend. And it was cheap, but now I will spend 30 bucks just to paint it black. I have another problem. I can't paint these inside. I have to paint these outside and it's -2. How that's going to work? I will start with this panel. I will try how this paint will work. I have to take this away again, of course. Great. I think it looks pretty good. I don't even know, do I have to make it twice? The second layer. But I think it looks pretty nice. Is this going to fit here? It is a little bit too big, this hole. Obviously, when I will glue this carpet here, I will bend this carpet so it's not that much too big. But the main thing is that it will fit. Okay, this one, that's maybe the more important because I already glued this carpet here. Yeah, that's perfect. This grill, it's a little bit high. It doesn't matter, I can take it away. I don't really need it because this rubber part, it's not coming over this board. I measured now that it should be exactly in the kind of in the middle. Obviously I have to look that this subwoofer is straight when it's in the car. I think I can use only 2 points, that I can make a straight line and use this to the rest of these measurements. I think those should be enough. Next I will cut these pieces here inside the box. Those will give a little bit more support and make it a little bit stronger. Those pieces are coming under every screw hole. And I'm going to use this scrap piece of oak. This is very hard wood. So that's my idea here. I will glue these here in place like so. Then I can drill these holes, and I'm going to use something like this. I just have to go and buy right kind of screws. I don't have long enough screws for these. Okay, these are now done. All. Next I will glue this carpet on the top of this box. I will leave this gray. I'm not going to paint this black. You can't really see this, so it doesn't matter. This part I have to improvise. I don't have this gray carpet anymore. I found these. I had a few of these left. This is with a glue, but I don't trust this glue. I will use some spray glue. It's almost the same color than this original. Oh yeah. It's now pretty tight. I think to paint this black was very good choice. Very good choice. It looks much better. Well, subwoofer box finally finished. I'm pretty happy about it. It looks good, it feels good, it fits pretty good. What comes to the volume of this box, the recommended volume for this subwoofer sealed box, net 14.2 liters. My box, if I calculate everything, minus subwoofer, minus these wooden blocks inside, minus this butyl material, my box is about 15 liters net volume. I can of course make it always smaller if needed. I didn't try it yet, I didn't connect yet this amplifier or anything, so that's going to be my next step, kind of, that I can at least have some bass. What comes to this camera, what I used, Osmo Pocket 3, I'm pretty happy about it. It's quite a big difference compared to Model 1, which I also have, especially in low light situations. My mistake was that I used this continuous focus mode, and it just doesn't work in some of these things that I'm doing. If I'm going out, if I'm filming something in the car while I'm driving or something like that, that's perfect. Is this going to be my main camera in the future when I'm doing this? No, maybe not. I'm going to use my old camera, which I'm actually using now where I'm filming. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys next time.